Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use screen mirroring on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you want to mirror your iPhone screen on your Mac, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to drag down your control center and make sure that your iPhone and your Mac are connected with the same internet connection. So guys, do this, and after this turn on the Bluetooth in your device as well. So guys, here is the Bluetooth settings. You have to turn on your device and your Mac as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and now scroll it below and tap on AirPlay and continuity, and then tap on automatically AirPlay, and then you have to simply check this to automatic. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and you have to go to Face ID and passcode and set up a passcode for your iPhone, and after this go back and you have to tap on Face ID and passcode again, and then you have to scroll it below and turn on all these toggles, and then you have to set up your Face ID for your device as well. So guys, do this, and now you have to drag down your control center and tap on screen mirroring, and now you will see your Mac in the list of screen mirroring in here. So guys, you have to simply select your Mac, and after this you have to give the passcode of your device, and then your iPhone will be connected with your Mac, and then you will be able to use screen mirroring feature on your Mac in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.